subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment the next video I should do. Today, I got a squishy package from eBay. And I always buy squishies from eBay because they give such cute extras, and I ordered a blind mystery one squishy pack. And yeah, and they give another extra all the time. They give lots of extras. I took off the tape already, but I'm just gonna open the box. I don't know what they gave because it's just a mystery bag. Okay, yeah, on the top they always give extras. They gave jewelry. That's what happened last time when I got my mystery box bag, lucky grab bag. I got a ring. Thank you. It's beautiful. Maybe it's not real, but I don't care. It's beautiful. She gave me a marble. I saw these at Forever 21. Thank you so much. And then they gave like a laminated. Thank you for getting squishies from us. Laminated tag. A cute little sticker. Cute. Right there. She gives so much stickers. Like these big bubble ones. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. Thank you so much. Okay, now then it comes with this. Yeah, just got that. Yes, of course, they give boxes with extras. So, the extra I got. Oh my gosh. I always wanted this kind. It's the bigger Yums. This is such cute packaging though. Oh my gosh, I want to see which one I got. It's not resealable, but I don't care. I want to open it. Okay, it's been squishy for me to open it. Come on. Okay, I got a tag. Let's see the tag first. Let's get these. Oh, there's one in the back. Let's see which one I got. I got. That smells so good. So which one did I get? I got strawberry sweetness. Comes with a keychain. So cute. It is licensed by Squish Yums. That is so squishy. Not the most rising thing, but I was hoping I got this one. I mean, I would pick one that I would really want to get. I would get one of these popsicles because I want a popsicle. But it's okay. I really like this one. It is just so adorable. Love it. Thank you so much for this amazing extra. Thank you. Always wanted these kind of squishies. I always wanted this kind of like mystery squishy package. I just ordered one. I never showed you like this is my squishies. So I think I did. I don't know. It's this. They didn't give it. It's just squishy. Now let's get the real deal started. Me and Camille, we went to Target and she told me, oh my gosh, you should so get this kind. It's so cute and fluffy. Oh my gosh. I saw the same one at Target with Camille. Oh my god, I can't believe they gave it. This was $14.99. And this whole package. What the heck is going on with my brain? This whole package was $3.99. $4? And this squishy's $14.99. And that other one, those are, I don't know how much those are, but those are expensive kind of too, I think. I'm shook right now. Honestly, wow. How do you open these up? Do you like open it by something? These are for sure not resealable. Oh my gosh, I want to open this so much. I want to feel it. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells.
На.
Oh my gosh.
Точно, точно, на моей кровати. Пожалуйста. И вот это все убрать. Быстро.
This smells so good.
Hurry up.
Okay, this smells so good. They're so furry. Guys, these are licensed. I love this. It smells like mints. It smells like mint. The bottom and the top smell different. The bottom smells like lime and mint.
Are you gonna sleep with me?
Mom, lock it. Stop. Stop.
Why?
Okay. Okay, so, oh my gosh. Sorry, I needed to get out of there. I need to just clean my room. Thank you, eBay, for all these good squishies. Amazing. Go check out eBay. Bye.